In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning and effective banner using Pinterest as your source of inspiration and resources. We'll guide you through the steps with ease, ensuring you can follow along without any hiccups. First, let's dive into the essentials by heading over to Pinterest. This platform is a treasure trove of creative ideas and visual inspiration, making it the perfect place to start our journey. To begin, open your preferred web browser and enter Pinterest into the search bar. Clicking on the Pinterest link should bring you directly to their homepage. If you don't have an account, now might be a good time to consider creating one, but it's not strictly necessary for this tutorial. Once you're on Pinterest, the fun begins. You'll want to search for a banner that suits your needs or preferences. With Pinterest's search functionality, you can enter keywords that describe what you're looking for. In our example today, I'm going to use simple banner as the search term. You'll notice that as soon as you hit search, a plethora of images and designs pop up. Take your time to scroll through these options. Pinterest provides you with a myriad of styles and ideas that can fit any occasion or purpose, so be sure to choose something that catches your eye and aligns with your vision. Once you've found a design that you absolutely love, the next step is to download it. Simply click on the image to open it fully, and you'll often find a way to either save or download the image directly to your computer or device. For those images where downloading isn't directly clear or available, you might need to explore alternative options such as capturing a screenshot. This can be done by using built-in features on your device or special software tools designed for this purpose. Just make sure the quality of the image remains intact, as this will be crucial for your banner's final appearance. And with that, you're done. You now have a beautiful Pinterest-inspired banner ready for use. This could fit numerous applications, whether it's for personal use, business promotions, or digital content creation. Remember, the key to a great banner is not just in its looks, but also in how well it represents your message or brand. So feel free to explore, modify, and personalize the banner if you have the tools to do so. We hope this quick guide was helpful, and it's amazing how with just a few steps, you've been able to source and prepare a high-quality banner from Pinterest. Remember that creativity thrives on exploration, so don't hesitate to return to Pinterest for more inspiration in the future. Thank you for joining us today, and happy designing.